We all have that guilty pleasure, whether it's a sugary snack or a deep-fried treat. But the truth is, some of these popular foods are doing more harm than good. Ready for a countdown that might just change the way you eat? Today, we're diving into the top 7 unhealthiest foods that you need to avoid and revealing their healthier, tastier alternatives. Stick around to find out which one takes the top spot as the ultimate diet disaster. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Hey there, welcome back to Lifestyle Evolve, and today we're counting down the worst of the worst, foods that are sneaking into your diet and wreaking havoc on your health. But don't worry, I've got some amazing alternatives that'll make you forget all about those unhealthy cravings. Ready to see which foods made the list? Let's kick off this countdown. Kicking off our countdown at number 7, ice cream. Ice cream is the ultimate comfort food, but it's also a sugar bomb loaded with unhealthy fats that can derail your diet in no time. Instead, try swapping it out for Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and fresh berries. You still get that creamy, indulgent texture, but with a fraction of the sugar and fat. Plus, Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, which are great for your gut health and can even boost your mood. Did you know that the probiotics in Greek yogurt can help improve digestion and strengthen your immune system? And when you add honey, you're not just sweetening the deal, you're also getting a dose of antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that support overall health. Now moving on at number 6, French fries. French fries. Who doesn't love that crispy golden goodness? But here's the catch. Traditional fries are deep fried in unhealthy oils, which means they're loaded with trans fats and sodium. These can contribute to weight gain, heart disease, and even some types of cancer. Instead, why not switch things up with air-fried sweet potato fries? Not only are they naturally sweet and delicious, but they're also packed with fiber, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants that support your immune system and skin health. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, crucial for eye health and a strong immune system. Plus, baking them instead of frying slashes the calorie count while keeping all the flavor. Now at number 5, sugary cereals. They may look fun and taste great, but those vibrant flakes and marshmallows are packed with added sugars and artificial ingredients that can spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing before lunch. Instead, opt for a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and nuts. Not only does oatmeal have fiber to keep you full longer, but the natural sweetness from the fruit means no sugar crash later. Oats are a great source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that's been shown to reduce cholesterol levels and support heart health. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your ticker. Sliding into number 4, soda. We all know it's bad, but did you know that a single can of soda can contain up to 10 teaspoons of sugar? That's more than the daily recommended limit. Not to mention, those empty calories contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of diabetes. Swap it out for sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. You'll still get that refreshing fizz without all the sugar and artificial sweeteners. A study published in the American Journal of Public Health found that people who drink soda regularly have a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Switching to sparkling water can help cut that risk dramatically. Coming in at number 3, potato chips. These crispy, salty snacks are loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and calories, making them a recipe for heart disease and high blood pressure. They are considered empty calories, which don't provide any nutritional value and don't make you feel satiated. But don't worry, we've got a healthier alternative that's just as satisfying: air-popped popcorn. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and you can season it with your favorite herbs and spices for a tasty snack that won't leave you feeling guilty. Popcorn is a whole grain, which means it's packed with nutrients like fiber and antioxidants. Plus, it's naturally low in calories, about 30 calories per cup if you pop it without oil. At number 2, processed meats. Bacon, hot dogs, and deli meats may be convenient, but they're loaded with sodium, nitrates, and other preservatives that have been linked to an increased risk of cancer and heart disease. These foods are staples in the American diet, and why would they not be? They're packed of flavors and are versatile, but they have a bad impact in your overall health. Instead, try grilling some chicken or tofu for your sandwiches and salads. These alternatives are high in protein, low in unhealthy fats, and can be seasoned to perfection for a tasty, nutritious meal. A study from the World Health Organization classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, which puts them in the same category as tobacco and asbestos. Grilling chicken or tofu is a much safer and tastier option. Before we reveal the top 1 unhealthiest food, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips. Also, here are some of the unhealthiest foods who didn't make the cut. Candy bars, white bread, and creamy salad dressings. They're all packed with refined sugars and unhealthy fats that provide little to no nutritional value. Try to replace them with dark chocolate, whole grain bread, and olive oil with balsamic vinegar. They're all rich in nutrients and healthy components that provide long-lasting energy and support overall health. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, the unhealthiest food. Number 1. Fast food burgers. Are you surprised that number 1 unhealthiest is fast food burgers? Probably not. They're quick, they're convenient, and they're packed with unhealthy fats, sodium, and calories. Regular consumption can lead to weight gain, heart disease, and a host of other health issues. Not to mention, they are mostly everywhere and so easy to obtain. I bet there's a nearby McDonald's and Burger King near you. But don't worry, you can still enjoy a delicious burger without the guilt. Try making a homemade veggie burger. Use black beans, quinoa, and your favorite veggies for a nutrient-packed alternative that's bursting with flavor. Veggie burgers are not only lower in calories and fat than their beef counterparts, but they're also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health and digestion. Plus, they're super easy to make at home. So there you have it, the top 7 unhealthiest foods and their healthier alternatives. Making these simple swaps can have a huge impact on your health, helping you feel better, live longer, and maybe even drop a few pounds along the way. And hey, what's your favorite healthy food swap? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. You might also like these videos about health and wellness. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.